Okay, so I'm just going to make this announcement video, basically trying to get us all kind of on the same page, hopefully moving forward. We kind of had we had some chaotic class periods last week, and I apologize for that. Kind of had some unforeseen issues with updates to WordPress's um, version, which broke a couple people's sites. So we were all kind of on different stages, and I kind of had to help people one on one troubleshoot different issues. Really, it seemed like everybody this year had an issue, so I don't think anybody was able to kind of coast through it like I hoped we would. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Hopefully, without too much more issues here. But one thing we could do, go into Electronic Design 2 here, go into the content area of week 9, which was last week's. It's basically Sunday now, but this WordPress walkthrough. So if we download this and take a look in here, we can see I've created. I'm going to actually download this because it looks a little better after I've downloaded it. So, here's the login section. Talking about that WP admin URL to get logged in. Creating a new password is the next step, typically. Deleting plugins that came with the WordPress site. So this will walk you through that. And then we want to update the WordPress version potentially. I think maybe just skip this because that obviously has caused some problems. And then simplifying the permalinks would be the next one, which is basically the URL, just making those URLs cleaner so that they're not messy looking. Pretty easy. This section will show you how to do that. This section shows you how to change the title and tag of your website. This one goes over installing a theme, which is Astra. You basically just get into the dashboard under Appearance and Themes, and then you search for Astra and install and activate that. And then we want to install that starter template plugin. And this will kind of import a dummy site into our site. So it'll import a navigation, it'll import pages, dummy pages with dummy content. So you just go into the plugins in dashboard and go to add new. Search for starter templates by Brainstorm. It will be made by Brainstorm Force and install now and activate. And then under Appearance, Starter Templates, you would click on Elementor. So if we can get caught up to this highlighted area here, from the highlight on, I'm actually just going to create videos walking us through some of these steps, possibly through this step since I already have this all written up. And then you guys can just work at your own pace in class using those videos that I make. And then maybe once we get kind of on the same page, Friday, hopefully we'll all be on the same page and we can actually move forward together as a class like we were supposed to. Moving forward with me demoing up front and you guys just following along was really what I wanted to do. And then I will give you little breaks to kind of ask questions and also just kind of fill in content on your site. So basically, if you are behind at all, use this walkthrough, download it, look through it, and do all these steps in the walkthrough, in this actual text walkthrough, up until this highlighted area. And then in class, you can watch the videos that will go over the next few steps. And then hopefully by Friday, we'll all be kind of probably about right here. And from there we can work as a class, hopefully starting Friday at least. Wednesday, maybe even Wednesday. Maybe by Wednesday we can work as a class. Maybe not Friday. We'll probably be ready by Wednesday if everybody does this. Get caught up to here if you can this weekend or by Monday 10 a.m. It shouldn't actually take too long to do, and then from here on, we'll have some videos and then we'll all get on the same page, hopefully, like I said. So I'm just repeating myself now, but we'll talk to you on Monday.